World economy is going to crash very soon, and which will lead to massive unemployment and poverty. Million of people around the globe will lose their jobs, and businesses will incur huge losses. By the end of the video, you will know that why this is happening, what we can do to save jobs and businesses. You might have already lost your job by now, or maybe you have accepted a slash in your salary, or might this happen in next 6 months. Or if you're in business, you might already have started incurring losses. And this is something that is not just happening in your country, this is happening around the world. World economy is going through a very hard phase right now. The global recession is on its way, which will lead to unemployment, poverty, and eventually this will lead to a bigger valley between rich and poor around the globe. Let's understand what is recession. As per Wikipedia, a recession is a business cycle contraction and when there is a general decline in economic activities. Recession generally occurs when there is a widespread drop in spendings. Now the question is why this is happening. The COVID-19 pandemic is disrupting global supply chain and international trade. Around 100 countries have already closed their national borders during the past month. And the movement of people and the tourism flows has come to a screaming halt. You must have heard names of some of the following organizations like United Nations, World Economic Forum, IMF, Morgan Stanley, Goldman. These are some of the organizations which have the world's best economists and they have declared a global recession is underway. The news has been covered by various news agencies like Economic Times, CNBCs and many more. Now, who is at risk? Who needs the most help right now? We must tackle this devastating social and economic dimension of this crisis with a focus on most affected, which are women, older people, youth, low-wage worker, small and medium enterprises, the informal sector, the vulnerable group, especially those in humanitarian and conflict settings. Now you must be thinking what will happen after this. And this is what UN have to say. When we'll get past this crisis, which we will face a choice. We can go back to the world as it was before or deal decisively with those issues that make us all unnecessarily vulnerable to crisis. Can you see there is some problem with the system? And that is not just a challenge for India or US, but for the whole world. So, what we need to face these challenges? We need a solution. We need to discover the panacea. We need to find a way out to solve these challenges and get ready for the future. We need a new system. For that, we need to think of a plan constructively. And once we have something in hand, we need to aware the world about it. So what needs to be done now? Please get in touch with us if you have solution to these problems. We will bring these ideas to people and aware them about the solutions which they are still facing. You could be anyone from anywhere living in any country. The only thing you need is a solution, a remedy, and immense love for the others who you share this planet with. Also, please share this video with those whom you think can give some solutions or their inputs. We are a team of activists around the globe. You can contact us on our email ID that is discoveringpanacea@gmail.com or you can contact us on Telegram or YouTube as mentioned on the screen. Let's find out the panacea to do so to save the humanity for a better life on this beautiful planet.